here to help. You understand? We are here to help. That is where we are, but we are here today because we want to help. So besinxusa leadership. Ngicela uzwele sumphakathi and commit to us that we will work together. Because of uyabona nalama angazi ama CPW ne? Yeah, I'm a crime prevention unit. They are unarmed. Then we come with firepower. So if we support them, we are protecting them also. So benginxusa ukuthi ngicela usizwe futhi uzwele eluzwele nalomphakathi Nkosi yami. The only thing we want is to serve our community in partnership. So in memorandum uzoyifunda kanjalo then you'll respond. But the next step we want to have an MOU with SAPS. Our anti-crime units must have an MOU to say we are working together. Makonagalo, you can even sign them as AMA reservists. They don't have to get paid. These people are making money somewhere, they're working. But because at the end of the day, there's a serious problem.